Welcome to AI Foundation Learning. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of agentic AI and its future trends. Whether you're an AI enthusiast, a beginner, or a professional, this guide will help you understand the key trends that are shaping the future of agentic AI. Let's get started. First, let's quickly recap what agentic AI is. Agentic AI refers to autonomous systems that can perceive their environment, make decisions, and take actions to achieve specific goals. Think of self-driving cars, advanced robotics, and intelligent virtual assistants. One major trend is the advancement in reinforcement learning. This technique allows AI agents to learn by interacting with their environment and receiving feedback in the form of rewards or penalties. In the future, we'll see more sophisticated algorithms that enable agents to learn faster and more efficiently, even in complex and dynamic environments. Researchers are developing methods that allow AI agents to transfer learning from one task to another, vastly reducing the time needed to train on new tasks. Another exciting trend is the development of these involve multiple AI agents working together to achieve common goals. The future will see improved communication and coordination among agents, leading to more effective teamwork. For instance, in logistics, we could have fleets of autonomous drones and robots working together to deliver packages more efficiently. In agriculture, multiple AI agents could coordinate to monitor crop health, optimize watering schedules, and manage harvesting. Or in healthcare, AI agents could assist in patient care, diagnostics, and management, providing comprehensive support to medical professionals. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, explainable AI will be crucial. This trend focuses on making AI decisions transparent and understandable to humans. Future AI systems will need to explain their reasoning in a way that's easy to grasp. This is vital for building trust and ensuring ethical use of AI. For example, in finance, an AI agent might need to explain why it recommended a particular investment strategy. In healthcare, doctors and patients need to understand why an AI system suggests a specific treatment plan. Explainable AI will help bridge the gap between complex AI processes and human understanding. Speaking of ethics, ethical AI and bias mitigation will continue to be major focal points. Ensuring that AI agents operate fairly and without bias is essential. Future developments will include more robust frameworks and tools to detect and mitigate bias in AI systems. This is important for creating AI systems that are inclusive and fair, ensuring that they benefit all users equally. For example, AI in hiring processes must be free from biases that favor certain demographics over others. Companies and researchers are working on methods to audit AI systems for biases and implement guidelines to ensure ethical AI development and deployment. Lastly, the integration of agentic AI with the Internet of Things, or IoT, will open up new possibilities. AI agents will become the brains behind smart devices, making our homes, cities, and workplaces more intelligent and responsive. Imagine a smart home where AI agents manage everything from energy consumption to security, seamlessly interacting with each other to enhance our daily lives. Smart cities will use agentic AI to optimize traffic flow, reduce energy use, and improve public services. In manufacturing, AI-powered IoT devices will monitor equipment health, predict maintenance needs, and optimize production processes. Top tech companies are at the forefront of developing and deploying agentic AI platforms. Let's take a look at some key players and their plans. Google's DeepMind is pioneering advanced reinforcement learning techniques, while Google AutoML aims to democratize AI by allowing users to create custom machine learning models with minimal expertise. Microsoft is investing heavily in agentic AI through Azure AI, which offers a suite of tools for building intelligent applications. Their Project Bonsai focuses on industrial control systems, enabling organizations to create AI models that can optimize and control complex processes. Amazon's AWS AI provides a comprehensive platform for developing machine learning models and deploying AI solutions. Alexa, Amazon's voice assistant, continues to evolve, incorporating more advanced AI capabilities for better user interaction. IBM's Watson leverages natural language processing and machine learning to provide AI-driven insights across various industries. IBM is also a leader in promoting ethical AI, developing tools and frameworks to ensure transparency and fairness in AI systems. Facebook's AI Research or FAIR Lab is known for its cutting-edge research in AI. PyTorch, an open-source machine learning library developed by Facebook, has become a preferred tool for researchers and developers worldwide. So those are some of the exciting trends we can expect in the future of agentic AI. From advanced learning algorithms and multi-agent systems to ethical AI and IoT integration, the possibilities are truly endless. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about AI, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI Foundation Learning. Hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. See you next time. Stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of AI.